Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Chromebook using Google Drive Sync and Powerwash Prep, complete guide step by step clearly. To backup your Chromebook using Google Drive Sync, start by ensuring you are connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network. Next, sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. Then, click on the time in the lower right corner of your screen to open the settings menu. Select the gear icon to access the settings. In the settings menu, scroll down to find the People section. Under the section, click on Sync and Google Services. Make sure the sync option is toggled on. You can choose to sync everything or select specific items you want to back up. Items may include your apps, bookmarks, settings, and even themes. Once you have made your selections, close the settings menu. Now, let's move on to ensuring your files are stored in Google Drive. Open the Files app from your Chromebook's shelf. Locate any files or folders you want to back up. Drag and drop these files into your Google Drive folder. This step ensures that all your important files. Once you have everything you need in Google Drive, it's time to prepare for a power wash. First, ensure you've logged out of all accounts that are not associated with your Google account. This includes any additional user accounts on your Chromebook. Next, go back to the settings menu by clicking the gear icon in the lower right corner. Scroll down to Advanced and click to expand the menu. Locate the Reset Settings section. Click on Powerwash followed by Restart to initiate the process. When prompted, confirm that you do want to power wash your device. Your Chromebook will now reset to factory settings. After the reset, you will be prompted to set up your device. Sign in to your Google account once again. Your saved settings, apps, and files will automatically sync back into your Chromebook. This completes your backup and power wash preparation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.